Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Sheldon, and I got a special guest today. Come, and that is my daughter Paisley. Say hi.
Hi.
My little helper. And then I got a package from boom, my face, Melissa Hoover. Her channel is Hoovers, Corgies, and Coins. Can you say it? Hoovers, Corgis, and Coins. Okay, but wait, Paisley. I went to go record it, and I opened the package, and I guess I didn't press the record button. What a donkey! So I'm just gonna show it. Okay. All right. So what do you want to? Okay, come. What do you want to show first?
This.
So wait, hold on. 3 weeks ago, I think it was 3 weeks ago. She had her first auction, and then I bought some stuff. I bought about 4 things. So this is the items that I bought. You want to show that? Okay, go. Boom! Here, come here.
What did you see last time? Bamba.
Boom! 1882 C.C. Morgan.
80 cc milking easy.
Oh, that was a sweet pickup. All right, this one. And this one is
Now,
boom!
what did you say?
1926 S.
1926
S. Standing Liberty Quarter. Cherry.
I know.
Alright.
Boom. Now,
Boom!
what did you say? Boom. And this my more stuff.
Okay.
Boom.
3, 6. Wait, hold on. Wait, you gotta show it, Paisley. Okay, here.
Boom.
Wait, what is it? 1858. What is it?
18,
Type 2 Trime?
1858.
Yeah, good job. Okay, put it down. And then this one next.
That's it.
No, Paisley, you just ripped it. She goes like this. Whoosh. It's alright. Alright, you wanna take it out?
No, I want to
Okay, go.
take it out.
Take it out then. Okay, show it. Show it in the camera.
Boom.
1970 proof set.
1917 proof set.
Here, put it like this so you can see. Okay, now turn it around.
I know.
Okay, go. Yeah, you never turn around though.
Boom.
Yeah, turn it around. No, not that. Come on, please. Hurry up.
I know it's that.
Hurry up. Oh my goodness.
Boom.
All right. And these,
This
one.
This one.
Oh no, you don't have to cover me every time. Me and Melissa. Oh, me and Melissa were talking a few weeks ago, and she was asking me what W quarters I needed, and then at the time I needed a low. So she sent me a low one, but at the same time,
That's what you see.
my man Roy is sending me a low one too. So right-ons for that. So wait, this one is the low W. Okay, and then this one is the P,
This one is a P,
and then this one is the D,
and this one is the D.
and then this one is the, okay, go show me.
This one is the.
This one is the Guam.
This one is the Guam.
Yeah. And yeah, this is my
This is my
mail call slash
call.
wins and
Slash
gifts from Melissa, my fave. So yeah, hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Shoot!
Daddy, how? Daddy,
Go say bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.